Alright, Han and Duy, ready? Yeah? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, who? Oh, both of you. Okay, so we got playing video games or playing football.
How about playing football?
Not playing football. So you say, what about? Huh? What about?
What about
Playing football.
playing football?
Okay. Okay, now Han Duy. Yeah, that's why. How about playing football or soccer? So 1-1. Next one, 1, 2, 3.
Don't say more.
Oh, I'm sorry. How can you say?
Khởi nghiệp bản lên.
Who first? Duy, right? Duy say it.
How about
Not you say this and that. So you say how about? This one? What is it? What is it? Exactly. What is it? A book or notebook? So you say, how about this book?
How about
Yes, okay. 2 for Duy and 1 for Han. Next one, look at that. 1, 2, 3. Han. So we got doing yoga and listen to music.
about
Listening to music. Remember. What about listening to music? Listening, remember. Or you said again, how about listening to music? Listening, remember. Yeah, 2-2. Okay, next one. Oh, no more. Okay, because from beginning. Oh, wait, this. Oh, Duy first. Duy, how can you say? Go swimming and go shopping. Which one?
How about going swimming?
Good. Alright, so 3 for Duy and 2 for Han. Next one. Go. Han. So here we got this mouse or that mouse. So you say? Huh? What about this mouse? What about this mouse? Okay. Okay, 3-3. Go. Wow, both of you. How can you say with a cup of coffee?
What about coffee?
A cup of? How?
How about a cup of coffee?
Oh, coffee. Okay, Duy is sure, very sure.